Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1965 Ford Falcon Futura. Great car, guys. Little Southern Motors history here with this one. I actually took this car back in on trade just the other day. Matter of fact, I took a pair of Falcons in on trade. Just sold a little white one the other day. But I sold this car. It's been a few years since Tom's had it. But I bought this car locally from an older man who had just restored it. So it's probably about I'm going to say a 5-year-old body up restoration. But he was local. Super guy. Did a really nice job building this car. It's a great little car. But he originally bought the car out of Georgia and then he restored it. But killer car, man. Torch red. It's got black vinyl interior. It's got a good running comp cam. It's got comp cammed up 289 with a Tremec 5-speed transmission. It's got brand new front disc brakes, brand new wheels and tires. Tom, the gentleman I just took it back in on trade from, he put a new Pro Car bucket seats in it, which fit in there really nicely. And I'll tell you what, if you're a taller guy like me, you fit in there a lot better. But neat car, runs and drives excellent, good, solid, straight body. Just a nice car, man, pretty car. It's kind of spitting rain out here, so I apologize, but we're gonna try to get through this video. Nice car. You can see, you can nitpick some of the chrome. Sorry about the little droplets. It's kind of spitting rain, guys. They painted the grille. Chrome and stainless is very nice shape. I love these Falcons, man. I just got a soft spot in my heart for these cars. Pretty paint. I wish we had a nice sunny day because this car really pops. Got really nice paint on this car. Glass is nice. You can see the fit and finish is nice on the car. I like it. Cool little car. And these guys always give me a hard time, man, because how much I like these Falcons. But they've seen, man, our phones will light up when we get these things in. You know, they're fun and they're affordable. I love the taillights on these cars. I think they're super cool. A little pitting in that piece of chrome there. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, Tom must have just put those wheels and tires on there because they're brand new. Heck, the stickers are still on the tires. Sorry, you guys see a little droplets. Just kind of spitting rain. "16-inch torque thrust." Again, brand new tires. Pretty paint on this car. Front disc brakes. Again, 289 engine. It's got a dual feed 4-barrel on it. It's got a polished Edelbrock aluminum intake in it. It does have headers. Manual steering. It does have manual front drum brakes. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. It's a Tremec 5-speed manual trans. VIN still is on the inner fender. Really just a good car. I probably got it in my pocket, Jordy. Hold on one second here. Bear with me, guys. Got to hand Jordy some keys. lost my train of thought here. I think it's had one floorboard replaced on the, I think it's on the passenger side. They put a floorboard in the car. Good car, man, neat car. 8-pillar chrome's pretty nice. You can see it's showing some wear there. Same thing with the mirror. Door handles look original and they show some wear. Doors are nice and clean. There's your door tag. Dust there. Again, it's got the Pro Car buckets, which I'm telling you, look at the leg room. You know, I'm 6'2", Jordy's 6'5", Nathan's 6'5". It's a lot easier for us guys getting in these cars when they're got that leg room like that. It's got a wood steering wheel. Sunpro tach, showing 84,856 on your odometer. Got some aftermarket gauges under there. It's got a custom sound system. It's got a power antenna in the front. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 8-inch rear with a 380 gear. Look how clean that trunk pan or the trunk jam is. It's got a jack with a spare. This is all just black in here. These are cool cars. Love those taillights. Side trim's really nice on the car. Have to get on my boys here, leaving a little dust in there. Yeah, seats are nice, they recline. You go ahead and fire it up, Jordy. Dual mirrors. Cammed up, car runs out good, drives good. Pretty paint on it. Works. You can see your fuel gauge is working, all your other gauges are down there. Parking brake does work. Radio all works, blower motor works. It's got a pretty good sounding system in it too. Doors open and close nice. Maybe figures out the wiper. There they go. He's got him. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a little button on there that you can click. and that way you get a notification every single time I post one of these videos. That's a cool car, man. Really cool car.